Hello everyone, and as we move towards the London Open, there's been a lot happening today. In Vietnam, we saw some economic data that was very supportive, but in Japan, we had a bit of a mixed bag. Japan saw retail sales come in quite strong, but unemployment edged up significantly in Japan from 2.8 to a 4 or 5 month high at 3%. And it just goes to show there are ongoing economic problems wherever you look around the world. In Australia, we have Queensland looking at a lockdown now in addition to Darwin and Sydney. So the problems are continuing to escalate, not de-escalate in Australia. We've had more and more information coming out of the US now. The Delta strain is a problem, as it is in the UK. The UK is still aiming to reopen as planned, but keeping a close eye on this surge in Delta as well. So that sort of Delta attack warning I've been putting out for a few days now remains current, as does the inflation risk. And I think the inflation data is really very strong around the world. We saw that Germany's import prices were very strong, going through the roof, something like a 40-year high. It really is a tsunami of inflation sweeping the world. In trading today in Asia, what we saw were all indices trading steadily lower, stock indices trading steadily lower. And I really want to highlight to you that the US dollar, I've been talking about how it's been in this relatively tight consolidation phase, that the bounce in the Australian dollar hadn't looked all that strong. Well, I think the US dollar is ready to scream higher once again, maybe not as significantly as it did last time, but certainly with a fair bit of power to the upside. So look for US dollar strength, Euro, Aussie weakness, a little bit of pressure on the sterling as well. But overall stocks are looking, technical term, iffy, but stocks are looking a little bit tired after that rally in the tech sector, and not so much in the Dow, but the Dow has tried, and the Australian market has just continued to look extremely heavy all day long. So a cautious day ahead, I would think, in London and Europe generally, and then flowing across into the US as well. Clifford Bennett, ACY Securities Chief Economist, thank you very much.